Hello friends, welcome to my channel BioBoard. Today we'll be understanding about vitamin D. What actually is vitamin D, why it is essential, what are the different sources of vitamin D, all these things we'll see today. So vitamin D is actually a fuel to our body. Just like engine requires fuel, in the same way our body also requires vitamin D. Why? Because this vitamin is responsible for different body processes. It helps in absorbing calcium in the body. It is important for strong bones and it also helps in preventing osteoporosis. Now, osteoporosis is a type of disease which causes bones to become weak and brittle. Then vitamin D ensures smooth neural pathways. It is also helpful in developing strong immune response, and of course vitamin D is available in different type of food supplements and multivitamin products. Now what is the daily requirement of vitamin D? It is said that the recommended dietary allowance, that is RDA, of vitamin D is 400 to 600 units. Now, a level which is about equal to or more than 20 nanogram per ml is generally considered as sufficient for maintaining good bone health. While if the concentration is below 20 ng per ml, then it indicates deficiency. So the signs of vitamin D deficiency, how you can understand that there is a lack of vitamin D in your body. So first and foremost thing is fatigue. Second is there will be pain in the bone, in the joints. Then anxiety. Muscle weakness is a very good indicator of vitamin D deficiency. Then another is rickets. So rickets is a type of bone disease that causes soft and weak bones, especially in children. Then it also causes osteoporosis that we have seen, which is a type of disease which causes bones to become weak and brittle. Then it also contribute to weight gain and hair loss. So where you can get the vitamin D? The different sources of vitamin D is, first and foremost is the sunlight. The natural sunlight which is coming is a very good source of vitamin D. Other than that, there are other dietary supplements like oily fishes, red meat, cheese, egg yolk is a very good source of vitamin D, mushrooms and liver. So these are the different sources of vitamin D. But do you know that excess vitamin D can lead to vitamin D toxicity? Yes, that is true. And it can be seen in adults as well as in children. The main symptoms of vitamin D toxicities are dehydration, that is loss of water, nausea and vomiting. These are the very common type of symptoms if you are facing vitamin D toxicity. Then weight loss is one of those symptoms, loss of appetite, muscle weakness, constipation, fatigue and frequent urination. These are some of the symptoms of vitamin D toxicity. So vitamin D toxicity is something which can be treated. In many of the cases it goes by its own. So but you have to understand that you are facing vitamin D toxicity. If this toxicity persists for for a couple of days, then you should seek medical attention. So that's all friends. This is all about vitamin D. Today we understood what vitamin D is, why it is essential, what are the sources, what are the toxicities. If you like this video, then please please go and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Thank you.